Hey tech enthusiast, this is Saf here and welcome back to my channel. So let's get this started. But before that, if you haven't done so, please do make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Okay, now that the unboxing is done, what I've done is I have quickly set this phone up. As you know, Huawei has got the US embargo ban, so you can't directly have the Google services. This was one thing which was hindering me in the past using the Huawei phones, even though Huawei makes one of the best hardwares in the market. But now the way you can get Google apps in the phone has become much more easier when compared to how it was before. So as you can see, I have got my Google services using the micro G part of it. So you can actually see I've got Google, YouTube, Gmail, Chrome. I've got all the other apps like Instagram, Google Maps, all these things. I have installed it. So it wasn't difficult. It was a bit simpler than how it was before, going through so much of different things. And now instead of downloading things from your Play Store, you have got the Aurora Store. Aurora Store works exactly the way how a Google Play Store works. So you can actually just search for whatever apps you want, and that one, boom, you can get whatever apps you want to install. You can install in this one. Like say for example, I've searched Google and it actually gives you all the applications what you can actually get from the Google. So just install it. It's pretty simple, and you can actually see my apps work over here. My Google is working, and initial thoughts for me using the phone is this is where I am really loving this phone. I mean, to be honest with you, I have fallen in love with this phone. Even though there are some caveats that, yeah, even though they don't have Google services, you have to download them using the Aurora and the Micro G kind of thing. Well, yes, there are a couple of more ways. But apart from that one, yes, the main caveats are the Android Auto does not work, and the synchronization with the Android phone, if you have, I don't think it works. And one thing which I have tested is the Google Wallet. The Google Wallet also does not work. So just to show you, that's the Google Wallet. If I click on it, well, it just stays over here. So that is one thing which you have to be wary about. So as far as the hardware is concerned, yes, you got the side mounted fingerprint sensor which works all the time, and they are pretty fast as well. As you can see, they are pretty fast. They work all the time. And also you got the face unlocking as well, which is very, very fast. You can actually see that is a dual screen. When you are using the phone, you just use it as a normal folding phone. But there, when you open it up, you can actually see that is really, really good. See, this is where one thing which I would want to reiterate is the main reason why people buy a folding phone when compared to a candy bar style phone. If you have been using your folding phones till now, yes, they have got a 7.9 or 8-inch screen, but they never used to have like a mini tablet, kind of like mini iPad style of real estate. But using this phone, and this is when I actually feel like, yep, you have got, or you are actually using a proper tablet over here. Just to give you a perspective, so you can actually see that is amazing. You can actually see what I'm talking about. You can actually watch your content in a big screen. That is really, really good. That is something which you have to experience it. Like, yep, you have been watching your content in your normal candy bar style phone or in your normal folding phone, but this one takes it one notch further. Like, you can actually view proper movies or content in this one, and this looks absolutely amazing. As I said, I am blown away. I mean, literally, like, wow. Wow is the only word which is actually coming out. Amazing, amazing, I would say. And one more thing, if you are using your Instagram, look at that. That is one massive screen to watch your social media content. If you're reading articles or like Instagram and things like that, that is just fascinating. I mean, literally, like, amazing. Wow, that is really, really good. And not only that one, so say for example, that is a three folding one, and if you want, you can do like that one, and that becomes your regular folding phone. And if you want, do it like that, and that still continues in your normal form factor. I mean, the possibilities are endless. I mean, the way you want to conceive your content, you can do it the way you want it, which is really, really good. The best part is, even in Instagram, you've got things properly optimized. It's not like a zoomed out version. I was surprised that they have kind of like optimized it for this form factor, which is really, really good. And not only that, if you want to read some articles, you can actually read them like this, or you can actually even read them like that. So you can actually consume more multimedia content in this one, which is really, really good. I think that is the main reason why anybody would actually buy a folding phone. Let me see how the multitasking works as well. One thing which a lot of people want to check is how the camera is. Let me check. You can actually see. That's amazing. The way you can actually see your whole camera in this tablet mode, which is really, really nice. I quite like it. Let me see. Wow. The clarity is really, really good. As far as the hardware is concerned, with the Huawei, you know they are always good. They make very good hardware. And now with this form factor, we just need to check how it is. As far as the cameras are concerned, this one has got triple camera setup with a 50 megapixel of a main camera and a 12 megapixel of an ultra wide and a 12 megapixel of a periscope telephoto camera with a 5.5x of an optical zoom. And not only that, they can also capture video at 4K and 1080p both in the back, and also as far as the selfie is concerned, they also have got an 8 megapixel of a wide selfie camera with a 4K recording, which is really, really nice. And let me just take some pictures just to see how it is, and that is with a 5.5x, and that one is an output with the main camera with the 1x camera. I am actually like, the output is actually pretty good over here if you see, and also that is with a 2.2x of an optical zoom where you can actually see the clarity is quite good. And also, and let's take it with a 5.5x and let's see. Well, the clarity is pretty good. You can actually see they have actually done a pretty good job as far as the zoom is concerned. And let me check if they have got the macro camera. Yeah, they've got the super macro camera over here, which is, I'm really getting close to the subject, and this is picking up. So the super macro camera is also pretty good. So that has been my initial impression. So far, I am absolutely loving the phone. It's amazing. And what I'm going to be doing is, in my next videos, I am going to be reviewing this phone to see how it performs, how the speaker quality is, the battery life. Yes, as far as battery is concerned, this one has got a 5600 milliamp hour battery, and it's also got a 50 watts of wireless and a 66 watts of wireless charging, and it's also got a reverse wireless charging as well. I'm going to be checking how they perform on a daily basis, and how the camera output is, the speaker output, and also the battery is concerned, because as we all know, when it comes to the normal candy bar style phone having 5000 milliamp hour battery, and also having a foldable phone having the same kind of similar kind of battery capacity, but this one, this being a 3 folding phone, I need to see how good it is going to be as far as the battery is concerned. And for those who always think that Chinese phones, they have got some issues with the notification, you can actually see that I've got my Gmail notifications, so the notifications come in a timely way. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see a comparison between the Huawei Mate X-T Ultimate and the Honor Magic V3, and also if you want to see a comparison with the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold as well. So let me know in the comments below. Until then, have a lovely day and stay safe. Thank you.